Quick test or two. Show my son how to work that DTS. I put a boo-boo on there. First real boo-boo. There you go. Now you watch for that light to come down and you draw. Draw. There you go. Whoa, okay. You gotta go straight through your beam. If you see it going crazy, let off. Because remember, those tires is different. I changed the tires. There ain't no foams up there. The tires is different, huh? Nice one. After a while. See what you did. Did 31 miles an hour and 5 both lights. Keep going. That's it. Get ready for that thing to drop. What? Foam tires. See what it did on the foams. 3.5. Boy, you got poop. I'm in there. You better get up in there. Got him. Ooh, that was a good race. You almost had me, though. You almost had me.
Down at the end.
Ooh. Oh, you beat me! Yeah.
That had to be good. Winner.
What? You lucky.
Ah.
Nice run, nice run.
Let's see what I got.
3-0. Okay.
0.04.
Oh no.
I was too focused.
He red lighted. He said he was too focused.
Okay.
Hold on, not yet, nah. Wait. Oh yeah, you could do it. You could do it.
Let's see what I got.
You didn't go through. Did it again? What happened? You spun out? He tried to dog me, huh? He tried to give me, hold on now, not yet. He tried to give it all it had on me. He spun out, couldn't handle it. Go ahead, you got it. Let's see what I pulled on him, a 2-1 on him.
No, I'm leaving you in the dust.
In the dust. Oh, you hit the cone? What we got? What we got? That wasn't bad.
3-0.
There you go. There you go,
Right,
now.
that's good.
There you go.
Whoa. I messed up.
Ah, she right like, hold on. That man was not waiting. He was feeding in.
Let's see.
2.9.
Yay! 2.9.
Go. Go ahead now. Okay. Mash the brake. There you go. Okay, mash the brake. Anaya got him. Yeah, Anaya.
Yeah, Anaya did.
3-1. Okay.
Anaya did good because I swerved.
Okay, Naya. Okay. Oh, that was a good race. Good race. Good race.
Let's see.
That was a good race. Okay. That was right on the money, Naya. He beat you. He beat you. Let me show you how he beat you. He beat you from this. See? He took off way here and you still sitting there. Then you took off. Son and daughter racer. Oh yeah, Naya. Get him, Naya. That was full throttle, Naya?
No.
You was pulling the thing all the way?
Yeah.
I got
2.981.
I got to turn Naya up.
2.981. I had 2.981.
Nah, you. Oh, nah, you almost had it. Why you let up?
My pants are falling.
Get him, Nah. That's full throttle?
I messed up for a second.
Full. That was full throttle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, she went by herself.
Yeah, she was testing.
What did she get?
He lost.
I
you
was
go,
trying
Nye.
to get ready and
There
then
you
I
go,
crashed
Nah.
it.
That was on the orange car on 3S. My son just. That's how you go through there, Nah.
Okay, you want to switch on your switch? Yeah. Hold on, let me put this out.
Look, Nah.
Don't go my way. Oh, you were going that way. I thought you were going in that way.
No, you can't switch. You always gotta. Don't worry about that.
Come on.
Nice, man. Mash your bread, man.
Just tell us what you got.
You gotta watch the light, nah.
Whoa. It's dead.
Yeah.
Yeah. See? I know I